Eka Pada Koundinyasana 2. Let's do it. From downward facing dog, reach your right leg up and back, bend the knee, and take your right knee towards your right shoulder, bending the elbows, creating a chaturanga shape. Pull the navel in towards the spine and try to keep the shoulders level. If you have the flexibility, you can also try this with the leg straight. Turn the toes out towards the side. In both variations, be mindful to push back firmly through the left heel and ball of the left foot. If you feel good with this, we'll try to go all the way. You can do it with a bent knee or straight leg. Lean forward a little bit more to shift the center of gravity, pushing back through the left heel to get light on that left leg. Again, we can do it with a bent knee or a straight leg. Remember, tight is light. So the more we engage, the lighter we're going to feel. We can also work towards this posture using a block. Planting the block on the medium side under the left thigh. We'll start in a lunge this time. Take your right shoulder under your right knee. Plant your hands shoulder width apart and begin to lean forward as you draw the navel in towards the spine. If you start to get light, you might be able to push back through the ball of the foot and lift up off of the block. Straightening the leg is an option. We can also use the block against the wall. Put the block against the wall, this time left foot on top of the block. Right shoulder under the knee again, push back into the ball of the foot. Bend your elbows and lean forward. We're working towards finding the shape. It takes a lot of practice. If you like the video, hit the like, share the love. Namaste.